guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Grace, at your service. So today guys, we are collaborating with a brand company called Wolkensohle. So Wolkensohle guys is a go-to destination for high quality footwear that combines style, comfort, and craftsmanship. So Wolkensohle guys is a brand that carries a rich history that reflects journey and values. So Wolkensohle is a Chinese factory brand that intertwined with their German counterparts. They actually catered exclusively to German customers. So their products is only available at their Wolkensohle websites and Amazon. So Wolkensohle guys derive from a German words Wolken and Sohle. So their branding encapsulates the essence of their products. Wolken means clouds, while Sohle means soul. So their union symbolizes the softness and comfort to walking on clouds that they strive to deliver through their footwear products. So guys, Wolkensohle actually sent me a pair of slippers. This is the one that they sent me. I haven't opened it yet because of my busy schedule. So guys, we are going to try the slippers and check out the quality of this product. So let's open this first and let's check this out. This is it, guys. There's nothing inside. So, oh, it is written in German. So I actually cannot read this one. So, this one. And I think this is a code if I will buy again. So here is the code. I don't know if you can see this, but that's the code. So yep. So now let's check. The slippers actually in a dust bag. This is really good. So this is the slippers, guys. I chose red, but they have a variety of colors available. So I like this red one. So this is it. So the first thing that I noticed about this product, guys, with these slippers, its inside is actually has a fleece. And this is really cool. So I think this slippers is actually good during winter time. So, but we'll check how this slippers is. So yeah, we'll try this on. So guys, the slippers is actually really nice and very comfortable. So because it has a fleece inside, this actually makes it more comfortable to wear. So it also has a non-slip sole for a comfortable and secure grip. So you don't need to worry about slipping with the slippers when you wear it because of this non-slip sole. So this Wolkensohle slippers, guys, is actually elastic and it's breathable. So you can wear these slippers all day long without sweating. It is water resistant. So these slippers is actually suitable for your summer vacation. So these slippers, you can wear this to the beach, pool, or your bath. So it has an ergonomic shape that prevent your foot from any joint pains. And one more thing about the slipper, guys, it has a soft and lightweight material to make your every step easy. It's very, very lightweight. So this Wolkensohle slipper, guys, is actually suitable for men and women. And its material is made from ethylene vinyl acetate. So it is a material that is used worldwide for slippers and shoes because of its durability. This is really good. I'm actually liking it. It's my first time wearing this one, but I'm liking it. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight and it's very good. It's really good to walk. So I don't have a lot of space to walk in, but I will try this outside tomorrow. I like it. Actually, it actually matched my top. Red. It's red. But yeah, this is actually really good. So guys, this Wolkensohle slipper is only available at their Wolkensohle website and Amazon. And please check their Instagram page for more details about this brand and the product. I will put the link where you can purchase this product in my bio, guys. So Wolkensohle, guys, has a customer service available Monday to Friday via their customer service page from 8 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. I hope you like this video, guys. Please share your feedback about this video. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.